Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. This makeup look was inspired by Christiana Gabriele from her Instagram page. I'm going to put the picture on the side here. For this makeup look, I used the Makeup Revolution London Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. This, my friends, is your truest dupe to Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. If you'd like to see the process and how I put the pearls on my eyes, make sure you keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna stop for a second. I'm going to explain to you briefly about the pearls that are on my eyes. So the pearls that I have, I bought them from Joann Fabric and I ripped off the tag. It is the Fab 69 gem stickers. And it comes in a pack where you have this size right here. And then you also have this size right here, and they come in different sizes from like teeny ones to humongous ones, or ones that are too large for the eyes. For this makeup look, I'm going to use the teeny ones, and you can see I already have them on. I'm going to use this friend to help me. Unfortunately, I lost the fight with that one pearl. So now I have 5 on this eye, and I have 4 on this eye.
Like, that's the double right there. So, and watch, I just realized that I'm gonna end up finding a pearl when I'm finished with this video.
I'm going to put on this Huda Beauty Mink eyelash and Naomi. This is how it looks. so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that way you can see more of me. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That's all I have for now. Check out the previous video in the next section that's coming up. I'll see you there. Bye!